Good morning. You are listening to Utkarshni, your news anchor from Love of Ara Media. Here, we bring you the latest updated news from around the world. Today, 4 June 2020. Let us start the day first with international news. An 8-foot-tall fence greeted protesters at White House on Tuesday, aimed at keeping them away from the seats of American power, but it failed to deter them from showing up in larger number. They stayed put till late, chanting slogans and singing in defense of a nighttime curfew. An Indian-American man who on Monday opened the doors of his home to over 70 people demonstrating against the custodial killing of George Floyd has emerged as a hero after he recused the strangers from the clutches of the police, according to US media reports. President Donald Trump administration's plan to bar Chinese passengers carrier from flying to US starting in mid-June as it pressures Beijing to allow US air carriers to resume flight 3. US and airlines official brief on the matter told Reuters. Brazil surpassed 30,000 deaths from the coronavirus outbreak as the diseases continue to rip through Latin America, while Italy, at one point the hardest hit country, prepared to reopen its border in the time for the European summer. Now, some national news. The capital city of Maharashtra was left largely unscathed by Nisarga, the severe cyclone storm that made landfall in the coastal district of raged between Srivardhan and Murud from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Wednesday. Even though the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted very heavy rainfall and a likely storm surge that was expected to cause inundations in low-lying area of the city. Nisarga, the first severe cyclone to impact Mumbai on more than 60 years, largely sparked Indian financial capital on Wednesday, as the severe cyclone storm weakened after its landfall south of the city, claiming no major damages or losses of life in the region. Delhi on Wednesday added 1,513 COVID-19 cases, the city's highest single-day jump so far. That took the total tally of infection to 23,645. Apart from one exception on June 1, the capital has reported more than 1,000 cases every day in the last 7 days. The number of facilities in the capital of 620 with 50 more deaths being added to the city's toll on Wednesday. India's death toll from COVID-19 crossed 6,000 mark. Thousands of computers were stranded for hours in a huge gridlock at Delhi-Ghaziabad border on Wednesday owing to strict checking by the police and the barricading of Delhi-Meerut Expressway that diverted all traffic to a single carrier way towards Delhi. The Delhi government on Wednesday issued an order mandating 7 days home isolation for all individuals arriving in the city on flights and train. Lucknow most preferred Mumbai-bound train, the Pushpak Express, is back on track. In the past 3 days, the train has transported over 1,100 passengers, including migrants who are now heading back to Mumbai for a week after an arduous journey home during the lockdown. I, Utkarshni, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.